Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue body wash slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last video is also remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector. In the comments down below, give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a really quick and easy no glue slime for the summer. The summer is very soon, it's almost June, and I'm so excited for the summer. And I'm going to be showing you guys way more recipes and fidget toy videos in the summer as well. But for this slime, no glue slime recipe, the ingredients you guys will need is body wash. I'm using this one from Walmart. It's by Find Your Happy Place. You guys will also need a bowl or plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. So, you guys might be really surprised, why is there only one ingredient, Allie? Because I usually use like salt or I add another type of soap in there. But this slime is kind of like one you can play with outside and in the pool or anywhere like that. So I'm first going to get out my bowl or plate. And I'm going to adding in my body wash. Now this one smells so good and I love like all the colors all over it and decorations. And I'm going to get adding it into my bowl. The more you add is how much slime you will make as well. I always tell you guys that. That looks like enough. So, ooh, that's a really pretty color. I love that. Okay, and now what you're going to do is you're going to get mixing it. And I'm going to mix it now. And you can mix it for about a minute or two, so I'm going to get doing that. Okay, I mixed it just enough, and here it is now, and I love this color so much. It's like a pink but reddish color. You can see, here it is, and now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put this into the refrigerator for about an hour to 2 hours. I'm going to check it every 30 minutes, mix it up, and see how it's doing. So I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay guys, it's been about an hour to an hour and a half, and here it is. Oh my gosh, this looks so cool. It looks super thick, and I'm sorry, that's my door. It's kind of windy in my room. But here it is. And I feel like it's going to be sticky. Oh, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. Oh my gosh. Oops, yeah, that's a little bad. Definitely needs more time in the refrigerator. I should have put it in there for 2 hours, but I was like, I really want to check on it and really want to show it to you guys. But this is an awesome summer slime. Again, you can play it with in the pool. And yeah, it's just soap really. So like, you know, doesn't do anything bad at all. So nothing bad, but it's all made from soap and it's really cool. And it's slime, which is awesome in the end. Yeah, but it's still sticky, but I think it turned out really cool. And this is the body wash I used as well. It's bath and shower gel, so it's both basically. And it's really awesome, and it smells amazing as well. So definitely go get this from Walmart. We're not sponsored at all or anything. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video again. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for all the love you guys have been showing me on my past few videos. It means so much to me that you guys love watching my videos. But yeah, remember to check out all my social medias. They are all linked down below. And a new giveaway will be coming in the middle of June, so stay tuned and watch all my videos to check it out. But yeah, I love you guys so much. And remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector. And in the comments down below, give us some video ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!